In this video, we'll practice speaking English the way you use it in real life, with sentences and phrases for everyday conversations. We're going to use the listen and repeat method. You listen carefully, then repeat after me. Guys, it sounds simple, but that's exactly why it works. By repeating out loud, your brain connects the sounds with how to say them naturally. This helps improve your pronunciation, build fluency, and boost your confidence all at the same time. It's like those classic language tapes you might have heard of, but better, because I'm here to guide you every step of the way. The key is that you're not just passively listening, you're actively speaking. Now we're going to practice common phrases you'll use when you arrive at a cafe or restaurant, asking for a table, making requests, and starting your conversation naturally. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with arriving and getting a table. A table for two, please. A table for two, please. A table for two, please. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Yes, it's under your name. Yes, it's under. Yes, it's under. No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't. How long is the wait? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Is this table available? Is this table available? Is this table available? Can we have a high chair for a child? Can we have a high chair for a child? Can we have a high chair for a child? Great start. Imagine using these same phrases in a real conversation with a native speaker, and that's when your English really improves. And that's why I love practicing on italki. Guys, if you're not familiar with italki, it's a language learning platform offering personalized one-on-one lessons with native speaking teachers from all over the world. When I first tried italki, I was surprised at how natural it felt. One of the most useful and convenient features is to find and choose a teacher you like. You can select a category, for example, if you want to improve your listening and speaking skills, and choose a native speaking teacher. You can select the type of teacher, as well as their country of origin. Plus, you can watch a teacher's video introduction and read information about them. What's more, you have the option to message the teacher before booking a lesson if you have any questions, and receive real-time feedback. And of course, you'll see their prices and can immediately book a lesson. Or find a teacher that fits your budget, paying only per lesson. No pressure, no monthly fees. It's very simple, guys. With just a few clicks, I found a teacher for myself. Check out the lesson video clip.
How's it going? Nice to meet you, Yuliya. I'm Jazz. How are you today?
Nice to meet you, Jess. I'm okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great, thanks. So the idea here is I'm gonna give you two statements about my life. One is gonna be true, one is gonna be false. You're not sure which one. You also are gonna give me two statements about your life. All right, so my two statements are going to be these. I got lost in Vietnam. I've been to the Amazon rainforest.
I'm really flexible. I can do the splits. True or false?
Okay.
I don't know. And I have never been to China. Also, thanks to italki Plus AI tools, you get targeted practice that helps you learn faster. And you can get it free for the first months. Guys, if you're serious about speaking fluently, this is the fastest way to get there. Click the link below in the description, use my code Yuliya, and when you buy $10 worth of credits for your first lesson, you'll get an additional $5 free. but only for the first 50 users. All right, we've got our table, we're settled in, and now it's time to order. Let's practice some phrases for asking about the menu and choosing food or drinks. Ready? Repeat after me. Ordering drinks and food. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll have them, please. I'll have them, please. For example, I'll have the chicken salad, please. I'll have the chicken salad, please. Can I have it without? Can I have it without? For example, can I have it without onions? Can I have it without onions? Can we have some water, please? Can we have some water, please? Can we have some water, please? Is this dish gluten-free? Is this dish gluten-free? Is this dish gluten-free? Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? Do you have any specials today? Once you've seen the menu, you may ask a few questions before deciding what to order. These phrases will help you check ingredients, dietary needs, and other details. Asking about the menu. Is this dish vegetarian? Is this dish vegetarian? Is this dish vegetarian? Does this contain nuts? Does this contain nuts? Does this contain nuts? What is the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? Is it spicy? Is it spicy? Is it spicy? Is this dairy-free? Is this dairy-free? Is this dairy-free? How is this dish prepared? How's this dish prepared? How's this dish prepared? Now the food has arrived. Woohoo! Here are some useful things you can say while you're eating, whether you need something extra or just want to give a compliment. During the meal. Excuse me, could we get some more napkins? Excuse me, could we get some more napkins? Excuse me, could we get some more napkins? Everything is great, thank you. Everything is great, thank you. Everything is great, thank you. Could I have some more water, please? Could I have some more water, please? Could I have some more water, please? Could we have some extra sauce? Could we have some extra sauce? Could we have some extra sauce? Could you please check if my order is ready? Could you please check if my order is ready? Could you please check if my order is ready? Your plate is empty, you're full, and now it's time to pay. Paying the bill. Could we have the check, please? Could we have the check, please? Could we have the check, please? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? Keep the change. Keep the change. Keep the change. Is service included? Is service included? Is service included? Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? See, once you practice these phrases out loud, they start to feel natural. The more you repeat, the easier it gets. And when you try them in a real conversation, you'll feel much more confident. If you want to take your English to the next level, click the italki link in the description and practice with a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.